How to fix error code 31 Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. The first method is disable generic Bluetooth driver. Sometimes the generic driver is activated by Windows operating system on priority. This driver prevents other devices drivers from working. So disable the generic Bluetooth driver and check if the problem is solved. For this, right click on Start, select Device Manager. Look for Bluetooth in the list. This one. Expand Bluetooth by clicking on this arrow. Find the device having the generic term in its name and disable it. For example, Bluetooth LE generic attribute service is here for me. On your computer, it may be different. Once found, right click on the device and select Disable Device. Click on Yes. If any other device having generic term is also showing, right click on the device and select Disable Device. Yes. Then close the device manager and restart your computer. Then the issue should be fixed. Try to connect the device. If this method doesn't work, then you can update driver. Right click on Start, select Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, find the device getting the problem. Suppose this device is showing error 31, then right click on this device and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Close the window, close the device manager, restart your computer and then check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, then use old version of the driver. Right click on the adapter, select Update Driver, click on Browse My Computer for drivers, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select the old version of driver if showing in the list and click on Next. Close the device manager and restart your computer. Then check if error 31 goes now. The next method is troubleshoot Bluetooth. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on Troubleshoot, Other troubleshooters. For Bluetooth, click on Run. Click on Yes here. Continue. Did you see a restart required message in the Windows Update window? No. Follow the on-screen instructions on the troubleshooter and check if the issue is fixed. The last method is download and install Bluetooth driver from manufacturer's website. Go to the manufacturer's website of the device which is showing error code 31 in your browser. Search and download the latest version of the driver and install it manually. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.